Ooh.
Wow. Wow. What's this one called? Single shot miracle. Whoa. Oh, single shot is one. Ah.
You missed it.
Yeah. Hate my life.
Oh, I hate my life.
This is the crazy fountain. Whoa!
Oh
That fountain's crazy. Okay, so this is the firework workshop. This is the funny fountain. Hope it's a funny one. That's funny. Oh, that was funny. That was funny. Oh! It tipped over. Family fireworks almost died. Gone wrong. That firework literally came right at us. Literally did almost die. Okay, so on this episode of Destroying Things with Jack Cory, we have a pumpkin. Wow. So this has gone mouldy. We got some snow. Look at this. Ready? That's disgusting. I know, my fingers just went right through it. Oh, that feels horrible. So basically, we're gonna put this pumpkin. As you saw on the last episode, we used the brick technique. I'm gonna use it again. Yeah. That was anticlimactic. That was anticlimactic. Again, I say we go for round 3. That was anticlimactic. Again. Last one. That was anticlimactic. Again. Oh.
So you're putting a bin bag was full of pumpkin in another bin bag what will soon be full of pumpkin.
You got it! Should we blow up a big bag and then just pop it?
Because of the light, you're like black.
Because of racist, Glenn. Don't be racist. Actually, I'm not sad because it's only pumpkin. I know that wasn't really destroying it, but the brick method always works, you know. How are we going to blow this up and then tie it in a knot?
Do you have a leaf blower?
Yeah.
I got a feeling that's not going to work.
Yeah.
That was satisfying.
That was anticlimactic. Again.
Jack, just saying we've been recording for 10 minutes.
No!
Zone 6, nigga. Pirates, whipper. Louis V slippers. Saint Laurent pistol. Gucci on my pickle. Nut right on her neck.